Question number 47 of test series 1 is from geotechnical engineering and belongs to the topic stability of slopes. In this question, it is given that at an infinite mass of dry sand has gamma equal to 20 kilonewton per meter cube, it is stable at slope of 30 degree. But if water flows through this sand, now water is flowing and it does not mean that slope is submerged. So this is the case pertaining to seepage. If water flows, the slope will be stable at A 30 degree, B 16.1 degree, C 24.3 degree and D 22.1 degree. Now in case of dry sand, slope is stable at 30 degree means factor of safety is 1, which implies 1 equal to tan phi upon tan I. Therefore phi of soil is given out as 30 degree, which is equal to value of slope. And if value of slope increases 30 degree, then factor of safety will go less than 1 and slope will become unstable. But in case 2, when seepage or flow is taking place, in that case this angle I will surely be less than 30 degree because of case of seepage, and tan I2 is then given by tan phi into gamma sat minus gamma W upon gamma sat. So after substitution we have I2 is equal to 16.1 degree. Please note that in this question we are assuming that this flow is taking place parallel to surface of slope. Say this is my slope and seepage is taking place along this surface and full height is under impact of this seepage. So I am not including any factor H in this reduction part. So this is reduction factor because of case of seepage. So slope will be now stable at angle of 16.1 degree. Hence B is the correct answer.